Winter is coming, and while that means cozy evenings and hot cocoa for us, it can be a tough season for our beloved plants. If you want to ensure your garden thrives through those cold months, you've come to the right place. Today, I'll be sharing some tried and true methods to protect your plants during winter. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about mulching. Mulch acts like a cozy blanket for your plants, helping to insulate the soil and roots from freezing temperatures. Spread a thick layer, around 2 to 4 inches, of organic mulch like straw, leaves, or bark around the base of your plants. This not only keeps the soil temperature stable, but also helps retain moisture, which is crucial in winter when the ground can dry out faster. Next, let's talk about frost cloths, or row covers. These are your best friends when the temperature dips below freezing. Drape the fabric over your plants at night, securing the edges to trap warmth. Make sure the cover doesn't touch the plant's leaves, as the frost can transfer through the fabric. Remove it during the day to let sunlight reach your plants. Here's a tip many gardeners overlook. Water your plants thoroughly before a frost. Moist soil retains heat better than dry soil, so a good drink can help protect roots from freezing. Just remember to water during the day when the temperature is above freezing to avoid creating ice around the roots. Building a DIY greenhouse or cold frame. Host. If you're a DIY enthusiast, building a mini greenhouse or cold frame can be a game changer for your garden. Host. It's perfect for small plants or delicate seedlings that need a little extra warmth. Host. You can make a basic cold frame using wooden boards and clear plastic or an old window. Host. It traps heat during the day and keeps frost off your plants at night. Bringing tender plants indoors. Host. Some plants, like tender herbs or houseplants, might be better off indoors. If you have potted plants that don't tolerate the cold well, bring them inside for the winter. Host. Place them near a sunny window to ensure they still get some light and avoid placing them near heaters or cold drafts. For young trees or sensitive shrubs, wrapping can provide an extra layer of protection. Use burlap or tree wrap around the trunks to protect them from frost damage and cold winds. This is especially important for trees that are prone to sun-scaled or frost cracks in winter. Cold, harsh winds can be just as damaging as frost, so setting up a windbreak can make a big difference. Use stakes and fabric or plant evergreen shrubs as a natural barrier. A windbreak reduces the wind's speed, helping to keep the temperature around your plants more stable. Lastly, stay tuned to the weather forecast. Knowing when a frost or cold snap is coming gives you time to cover up or take other protective measures. A little preparation goes a long way. Remember, it's always easier to prevent damage than to repair it. And there you have it. Everything you need to protect your plants during winter. With these tips, your garden will be ready to face the cold season and come out even stronger in spring. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more gardening tips, and share your own winter protection methods in the comments below. Happy gardening and stay warm.